Hi guys, today I want to show you one video that somebody shares me, I don't know who, but see. Where is Maris? Is there?
Yes, mommy, I'm ready. I'll come. Loser.
What are you doing? You're talking to mommy?
What the?
With mommy?
No, I'll just
Give
go.
me your phone.
I'll just
Give
go
me.
home.
Give me your
issue.
phone.
No.
Have you got the
No,
life?
I don't have. No,
What are you doing?
I don't
Where are you
have.
going?
No, I don't have
Oh, poor
I'm going. You're not.
Vlad is saying like, oh no, mom, and the other guy is like, he's awesome. I don't know, Vlad, it's a poor guy, that's obviously bad. Vlad, fight or die. Hi guys, today I'm here, I'm a little bit tired. I don't know if it's a word, because today I saw one video that's on the social media. Someone sent it to me to give my opinion and wanted to see. Let's go. Where is Maris? Is there?
Yes, mommy, I'm ready. I'll come. Loser.
What are you doing? You're talking to mommy?
What the?
With mommy?
No, I'll just
Give
go.
me your phone.
I'll just
Give
go
me.
home.
Give me your
issue.
phone.
No.
Have you got the
No,
life?
I don't have. No,
What are you doing?
I don't
Where are you
have.
going?
No, I don't have
Oh, poor
I'm going.
I have no words. Vlad, if you need something, just text me, please. And please don't share this kind of videos. It can be so hard. We cannot support this type of violence and cyberbullying or whatever it is. I don't know how to say, people. It's like, I have no words. So sad and so dangerous. So please, if you receive some kind of videos like that, just block, and maybe you can do something good for the people that are suffering.